Hi, my name is Deepak and today I have come up with another tutorial that describes counter element that is provided in Ultimate VC add-ons. Basically, counter will help you to show your milestones, achievements and any other numeric statistics with animated numbers on your web pages. So let me show you how this plugin works and what are the possible display design you can have. This is our demo page that shows number of properties which counter can provide us. So let me refresh this page so that you can see how these counter effects take place. So you can see the counter values are rolling up and these icons are popping in and out while loading this page. This is our first section. So now into the second section, you can see these counter value are rolling, and here we can see this variation in the counter values size. In this we can see the positioning. So we can do all this with this counter element. Let's see in backend how to add this element. So there is a button called add element. You click on this. On search bar just write counter. You'll get this counter element directly. Click on this and you'll get your counter element on your row. Now click on edit in counter and you'll get a edit panel from where you can change all your properties. So starting from top, we have icon to display. In this we have two options, that is font icon manager and custom image icon. Font icon manager options are common to most of the elements. So we have made a separate video tutorial on this. You can directly go through the link that is on the screen. So let's move further. In custom image icon, you directly upload your image icon and give it some width and give it some style. So we'll directly come into animation part. There are lots of animation. You can select any of those which fits you, which suits you. Then we have icon position. We have number of position, that is top, right, left. You can select any of that. Then we have counter title. In this you have full freedom to write anything. Now in counter value, you can add simple numbers or decimal numbers. You cannot type any of the special characters because JavaScript strips away the special characters. So you are only bounded to type in only the simple numbers or the decimal numbers. Now moving towards thousand separator. This is the character that separates your counter value into the groups of thousands. Suppose if you have 24,000, so this thousand separator will work as, I'll show you in our demo page, like this. It will be placed over here. So suppose if I increase my value, then how it will be displayed in our demo page, let's see. I'll save it and I'll update and see in our demo page. So you can see that the separator are just grouped all the numbers in a group of thousands, and it plays just in front of that. So this is how it will look, and the benefit in this is that you can type in anything over here. You have a freedom of that. Then we have replace decimal with your desired character. Suppose in counter value you have given 24.7 and you want to replace this this decimal point with this character. So let me show you first that how will this look. So I'll save it and preview the changes. So it will look like this. So you want a decimal point to be replaced with any other character you want. So for that I'll just simply replace this decimal point character from here. I'll delete it and I'll give a character of backslash here. Now it will be replaced with this point. I'll save it Then again I will just preview it in my page, and you'll able to see that my point has been replaced by my backslash. Then we have counter value prefix and counter value suffix. So let me show you what are prefix and suffix in counter. Here in our demo page we can see that we have added a special characters at the very last of the counter values and at the very beginning of the counter values. So these are prefix and these are suffix. So if you want to add these prefix and suffix in your counter, then you have to type in here. If you want to type your prefix, then you can go and type in here like @ or $. You can type in anything over here. Same as with counter value suffix, you can type in any of the things over here also. Then we have counter rolling time. Basically, counter rolling time is the time that a counter takes while loading its optimum value by just rolling all the values. So let me show you how it is done. I'll refresh this page, and now you can see these counters are rolling, and it will roll up to its optimal level within that given time. So if I'll decrease this, suppose 2 seconds, and I'll save it and I'll simply preview it, then it will be done in very short of time. So if you want to speed up your counter rolling time, then go with the minimum value of seconds, and if you want to slow your counter rolling time, then go with the high values of seconds. Then we have title font size and counter font size. You can alter your font size from here. Then we have counter text color. You can change your color from here. You can give any of the colors from this color picker. Okay, then we are done with this backend options of counter. We'll save this, and so I hope this tutorial helps you understanding this counter element. So you can subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials. Thank you for watching.